to keep my head down. It's a vision I can see. Ain't nobody gonna see it. You just gotta let it be. Drop some money on the Honda. Gotta get from. What's up, YouTube? This is GBTV here, back with another video. I see my first video I posted maybe like a few days ago. It was about what to expect if you get stationed in Alaska. Well, that was my first duty station. I'm not there anymore. PCS'd. I was there my first about three and a half years of my career, and then I re-enlisted and wanted to come to Fort Bragg. So that's where I am right now. I wanted to be closer to home because I'm from Virginia. So yeah, and I thought, hey, let me go ahead and make a video on, you know, what it's like in Fort Bragg. So for those of y'all that know, for people that's already in, who's already been here, or who's really in love with the tradition and what it's known for, Fort Bragg is the home of the Airborne and the Special Forces. So the one thing I'll say about this base is the culture is different than what I've ever seen. So when I got orders here, they was like, people were telling me, granted, because I'm not airborne, people was like, oh, you're going to Bragg? Oh shoot, you better not get caught walking on All American Boulevard. Or they were saying stuff like, oh yeah, you're either airborne or you're done. Like that, that was like the stigma I was hearing. I was like, yeah, that culture over there, like they really drinking the Kool-Aid. And I was like, yeah, all right, I'll see when I get there. And I ain't gonna lie, being here, they are drinking the Kool-Aid. But it's a good thing though. Honestly, it's real motivating. And what I mean by that is, as you're driving down like main streets like Ardennes or Gruber Road, things like that, as you're just driving through posts in general, you can just see people grinding, people really working, people giving their all, people like, you know, doing the best they can, like upholding that Army tradition, that Army pride, you know, people really striving to get better. That's what I take from it. Like, you know, maybe a shitbag, they'll be like, oh yeah, they're too high speed for me. But I don't look at it like that. Like it really makes you want to lock in. As far as things on the base, man, honestly, I feel like this is the perfect base for you if you really want to come here and lock in and, you know, level up your life. And what I mean by that is, like for my instance, like college, they have everything you need. The education center, there's a bunch of colleges. There's a bunch of colleges around Fort Bragg, and they have reps from each college, like Fayetteville State, Methodist University, Campbell, Fayetteville Tech, the community college. They have a bunch of reps from each college at your education center. So they help you enroll, they help you as far as applying, they help you with everything. They help you with your tuition assistance, which I'll do a video on that some other time. They help you with everything to help you succeed and help you get your degree. You got school here, there's like so many gyms. It's like 10 gyms. Like it's a really big base. There's like 10 gyms for you to like really, that you can go work out in. Like half of them have 24-hour access. A lot of them have, you know, basketball courts, you know, tracks and stuff. Like as far as getting fit, it's no excuse because there's so many gyms. There's so many tracks and parks and things to work out in. Like it's a lot for you to do to keep yourself occupied. There's so many defects. It's like 10 defects up here. Like, so if one is too packed, or if you don't like one defect, you just go to another part of post to go to another defect. You got defects. It's like a bunch of different shop ets. It's kind of hard to get bored because there's so much you can do up here. And then even the restaurants, like, you know, typically every base is gonna have like your typical same stuff. Like from what I've seen, even when I was in AIT, every base is gonna have like your Burger King, your what is it? You're gonna have like a Burger King, a Subway, maybe like and a Charlie's. But shoot, here, man, there's so many restaurants. You got all that, but also we got Tropical Smoothie, we got Dunkin' Donuts, Taco Bell, Panera Bread. They're building a Buffalo Wild Wings. Like it's so much variety. Papa John's. Like normally you just see Domino's. We got Papa John's too. We got Domino's. We got we got Quiznos. Like it's cool. Here, you're an hour from Raleigh. You're an hour from Durham. Like, so I was able to get free tickets to Duke games. I was going to football games, basketball games, all that. Going to East Carolina games. You're 2 hours away from Charlotte. You're 2 hours away from Myrtle Beach. You're like 3 hours away from Virginia Beach. I think you're not too far from Florida. Like if you want to take a 4-day weekend pass, or you want to take leave, or even on the weekend, like you want to just go out to go do something, you can do that. Like right now, I've been here for maybe a little over a year and a half, and me and my family, like we've been to all the zoos, all the aquariums, been to the beach. Like we really got to do stuff. Went to New Jersey. We really got to do a lot of stuff being here that I couldn't do on my last base. There's a lot I can do while I'm here locally, and also, you know, on my free time, I can plan and we can, you know, go to other places and do things like, you know, out of the state. Now, I will say though, for those y'all that want to come here, or if y'all got orders here, just know, I ain't gonna lie, they run. Honestly, in the Army in general, people run. Like, the Army in general, you're gonna run. But here, I ain't gonna lie, they run here. So make sure y'all get in shape. Y'all keep yourselves up. Y'all go out and y'all run, get y'all miles in. They be running here. I thought it was sweet, but I came here and I was sadly mistaken. So make sure y'all running. But it's a really good base though. It's a nice place to be. The units are real high paced. It's a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of special assignments you can do too. Like they have SVAP here. They obviously have SFAS, Special Forces. You know, this is a pipeline that you want to go to airborne school. Like they have a lot of schools here that you can do military education wise and also civilian wise. They have Signal University if you're trying to get your IT certifications. Like they have a lot here. It's definitely a great base to experience. And I'm not gonna lie, Fort Bragg is unlike any other base. And even though this is only my second duty station, I feel like wherever I go in the future in my career, I still may feel the same way. Like Fort Bragg is different than, you know, anything I've ever experienced before. But it's a great experience though, and I recommend y'all to, you know, experience it too if y'all want to. So yeah, just a quick video. I want to talk about, you know, what it's like being at Fort Bragg in 2025. And yeah, if y'all like this content, please leave a comment, please leave a like. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. And yeah, y'all, stay tuned for the next video. GB!